Hi, my name is Jaden and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys some of my favorite crafts of 2023. Starting off with this crochet top. I found this pattern on Chenda DIY and this is the first time I used a really thin yarn. This took forever to make, but it's also one of my crochet pieces that I wear the most. And another favorite one of mine is this sunflower cardigan. I started in 2022 and I finished it in January 2023. I have yet to wear it anywhere. I made the mistake of using acrylic yarn. This was supposed to be a summer cardigan, but this is also when I was new to crocheting. I should have used like cotton or something lighter so I could wear it in the summer, but it's really heavy and gets really hot when I wear it. So I don't really get to wear this often. Well, I never got to wear it yet. But I love it. I think it's so pretty. First time I learned how to put buttons on a crochet garment. I learned how to make scallops because of this garment. Yeah, this is a sunflower granny square cardigan. And I really, really love this. There's also scallops on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. The next two favorite of my project is basically the same thing, but I got into bookbinding. I bookbinded these two notebooks. I used Sea Lemon's tutorial to learn how to make this. This one was supposed to be a planner for 2023, but I stopped bullet journaling halfway because I got tired of it. The inside is a paper I got from Hobby Lobby. It's the back. I also stitched this on 2023. And a felt sticker. This is just another book I made. It's supposed to be a sketchbook. Inside, it's a felt sticker, same thing I used for the spine. This one looks a lot nicer and cleaner, I feel like. These also have bookmark. A bookmark. This. Yeah. So, and I have so much more projects that I enjoyed making, but they're mostly all crochet, and I'm planning to show them in another video of mine. These two mini sweaters are also another one of my favorite crafts of 2023. These are my first fully knit clothes, I guess. I made the little mini hangers. There you go. This one keeps poking through. It's a little Rudolph. A mini hanger. These are all on my Christmas tree YouTube video. This bag was also one of my favorite projects of 2023. I hand sewed this bag because I don't have a sewing machine, but I don't know if you can see it. I got this fabric on sale at Hobby Lobby. It was like a last sale. I've been eyeing this fabric for a while, and I finally got it. It's such a pretty fabric. I have enough left to make a skirt out of it, I think. It's a really pretty fabric. It's like velvety soft, and I lined the inside with another fabric. It's like this silk-like polyester fabric. I made a matching mini pouch with the same fabric as the inner lining of this bag. And I also have a matching bow made from the same fabric as this one. This was my first tapestry crochet. This is my first tapestry crochet that I finished. It's a potholder. I'll link down the pattern below if I can find it again. Another project I enjoyed making was this mini bread bag with butter that matches the theme. It's a mini butter keychain bag. This is a corgi face, Corgi Butt, and then it has a zipper. It's felted on the inside, and there's like a mini egg pouch to go along with it. And this was another project that I really liked. I think it's one of my favorite. It's very cute. Corn pouch was another favorite. But this one, the zipper was a little wonky. It's a little slanted, but I think it's still very pretty, very cute. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and see you next time on Productive Jaden. Bye bye!